Welcome to Global Insights, bringing you the latest news from around the world. A Panama Canal primer, connecting the world for over a century. The Panama Canal stands as a testament to human ingenuity. It is a 50-mile waterway. This engineering marvel connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. For over a century it has facilitated global trade. The canal has slashed shipping times, it has lowered costs. Before its construction, ships had to navigate around the treacherous tip of South America. This journey added thousands of miles. It also involved significant risks. The Panama Canal changed all that. The canal's construction was a monumental task. It took over 30 years to complete. The project faced numerous challenges. Disease, landslides, and political instability plagued the effort. Despite these obstacles, the canal opened in 1914. It immediately transformed maritime trade. The impact of the Panama Canal on global trade cannot be overstated. It opened up new markets. It spurred economic growth. The canal made it possible for goods and people to travel between the Americas and Asia much more efficiently. It revolutionized shipping routes and reduced transportation costs. This, in turn, lowered prices for consumers worldwide. The Panama Canal remains a vital artery of global commerce. It handles over 14,000 ships annually. These ships carry billions of dollars worth of cargo. The canal is a symbol of human ingenuity and international cooperation. It is a testament to the power of engineering to overcome natural obstacles and connect the world. Troubled waters. The Panama Canal's modern-day challenges. Despite its enduring importance, the Panama Canal faces challenges in the 21st century. One major concern is the decreasing water levels in Gatun Lake. This lake is a crucial part of the canal system. It provides the water needed to raise and lower ships in the locks. Due to climate change, rainfall in the region has been declining. This has led to lower water levels in the lake, impacting the canal's operation. Lower water levels mean ships must carry less cargo to pass through the canal safely. This reduces efficiency and increases costs. The Panama Canal Authority has implemented draft restrictions. These restrictions limit the maximum depth a ship can sit in the water. These measures aim to conserve water and maintain operations, but they also disrupt trade. Another issue plaguing the Panama Canal is congestion. The canal is operating at near capacity. This often leads to delays. Ships can wait for days or even weeks to transit the waterway. These delays have significant economic consequences. They disrupt supply chains and increase shipping costs. The Panama Canal Authority is taking steps to address these challenges. They are investing in water-saving technologies. They are exploring the possibility of building new reservoirs. However, these solutions are costly and may not be enough to meet the growing demand for maritime transportation in the long run. Enter Elon Musk, a vision for a Mexican mega-canal. Amidst these challenges, Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind Tesla and SpaceX, has proposed a bold alternative. A massive new canal across the Isthmus of Tehuantepec in Mexico. Musk's vision is ambitious. It involves constructing a canal wider and deeper than the Panama Canal. This would allow it to accommodate larger ships, including supertankers and container ships too big for the Panama Canal. Musk's proposed canal would stretch across the narrowest point of Mexico. It would connect the Gulf of Mexico to the Pacific Ocean. While details about the project's financing remain scarce, Musk has hinted at a public-private partnership. He envisions the project as a boon for both Mexico and the global shipping industry. Proponents of the Mexican Canal argue that it would alleviate the pressure on the Panama Canal. They believe it would offer a faster and more efficient route for goods traveling between Asia and the eastern United States. The new canal could potentially reshape global trade routes. It could reduce shipping times and lower costs. Mexico's moment: economic boon or environmental bust. The potential economic benefits for Mexico are significant. The project would create thousands of jobs during construction. It would also generate revenue through tolls and fees once operational. The canal could attract new industries to the region. It could stimulate economic development in southern Mexico, which has historically lagged behind the rest of the country. However, the project also raises environmental concerns. Building a canal across the Isthmus of Tehuantepec would require extensive excavation and dredging. This could disrupt ecosystems and displace local communities. Critics argue that the environmental costs of such a massive infrastructure project could outweigh any potential economic benefits. The Mexican government has yet to officially endorse Musk's proposal. They are likely weighing the potential economic benefits against the environmental risks. The decision of whether or not to move forward with the project will have far-reaching consequences for Mexico and the future of global trade. Charting the course, comparing routes and logistics. The proposed Mexican Canal offers a shorter route between Asia and the eastern United States compared to the Panama Canal. This is particularly advantageous for larger ships that cannot fit through the Panama Canal. The Mexican Canal could potentially cut shipping times by several days. This would translate into significant cost savings for shipping companies. However, the Mexican Canal also presents logistical challenges. The Isthmus of Tehuantepec is prone to earthquakes and hurricanes. These natural disasters could damage the canal and disrupt shipping traffic. The region also lacks the well-established infrastructure of the Panama Canal Zone. This includes port facilities, roads, and railways. Developing this infrastructure would require significant investment. Another factor to consider is the potential impact on the environment. The Isthmus of Tehuantepec is home to diverse ecosystems including rainforests and wetlands. Building a canal through this region could have devastating consequences for these ecosystems. It is crucial to carefully assess the potential environmental impact before proceeding with any construction. A rising tide. Can both canals thrive in a changing world? The question of whether Elon Musk's Mexican Canal can realistically compete with or complement the Panama Canal remains open. The success of the Mexican Canal depends on a multitude of factors, including its final route, construction costs, and environmental impact. It also hinges on the global demand for shipping and the willingness of shipping companies to adopt a new route. One possibility is that the two canals could coexist and complement each other. The Mexican Canal could serve as an alternative route for larger ships that cannot pass through the Panama Canal. This would alleviate congestion in the Panama Canal and create a more efficient global shipping network. Another scenario is that the Mexican Canal could eventually supersede the Panama Canal as the primary route for goods traveling between Asia and the Americas. This would depend on the Mexican Canal offering a significantly faster and more cost-effective route. However, it is also possible that the challenges and costs associated with building and maintaining the Mexican Canal could prove insurmountable. The Musk factor: innovation or disruption. Elon Musk has a track record of disrupting established industries. From electric cars with Tesla to space exploration with SpaceX, Musk is known for his bold ideas and ambitious projects. However, he has also faced criticism for his management style and the feasibility of some of his ventures. The Mexican Canal project is a prime example of Musk's disruptive potential. If successful, it could revolutionize global trade and cement Musk's legacy as one of the most influential entrepreneurs of the 21st century. However, it is important to note that the project is still in its early stages. It faces significant technical, financial, and environmental hurdles. Only time will tell whether Musk's vision for a Mexican canal will become a reality. Regardless of the outcome, the project has sparked a global conversation about the future of shipping and the need for innovative solutions to address the growing demands of global trade. Navigating the future potential obstacles and opportunities. The proposed Mexican Canal presents both opportunities and challenges. It has the potential to reshape global trade, boost the Mexican economy, and alleviate pressure on the Panama Canal. However, it also raises concerns about its environmental impact, feasibility, and potential to disrupt existing shipping routes. Moving forward, careful planning and consideration are crucial. Thorough environmental impact assessments are necessary to mitigate potential damage to ecosystems and biodiversity. The project also requires meticulous engineering and construction to ensure its resilience against natural disasters. Finally, open dialogue and collaboration between governments, businesses, and local communities are essential to address concerns and ensure the project's long-term sustainability. The future of global trade hinges on making informed decisions about infrastructure projects like the proposed Mexican Canal. By carefully weighing the potential benefits and risks, we can navigate towards a future where innovation and sustainability go hand in hand. As we look to the future, the prospects of the Mexican Mega Canal are both exciting and daunting. This ambitious project has the potential to revolutionize global shipping routes, creating new economic opportunities and fostering international trade. Video aerial view of the proposed canal route, overlay of global shipping lanes. However, the path forward is fraught with challenges. Environmental concerns must be addressed with utmost seriousness to ensure that the canal's construction does not irreparably harm local ecosystems. Video environmental scientists conducting research in a lush forest, overlay of endangered species. Engineering and construction will also play a pivotal role. Advanced technologies and innovative engineering solutions will be necessary to build a canal that stands the test of time and natural disasters. Video engineers working on a large construction site, overlay of advanced machinery. The economic benefits could be substantial, providing jobs and boosting local economies. Yet, these gains must be balanced against the risks of disrupting existing communities and industries. Video local communities engaging in discussions, overlay of economic growth charts. Collaboration will be key. Governments, businesses, and local communities must work together to ensure that the canal's development is both inclusive and sustainable. Video roundtable discussions with diverse stakeholders, overlay of handshake and agreement visuals. Ultimately, the future of the Mexican mega canal will depend on our ability to innovate responsibly and act with foresight. By navigating these challenges thoughtfully, we can pave the way for a brighter, more connected world. Video sunset over a bustling port, overlay of ships setting sail into the horizon. As we delve deeper into the construction of the Mexican mega canal, technological innovations take center stage. These advancements promise to transform how we approach such monumental projects. Video high-tech construction machinery in action, overlay of digital blueprints. One of the most groundbreaking technologies is the use of AI and machine learning to optimize construction processes. These tools can predict potential issues, streamline workflows, and ensure that resources are used efficiently. Video engineers monitoring AI systems, overlay of predictive analytics charts. Another key innovation is the development of eco-friendly construction materials. These materials aim to reduce the environmental footprint of the canal, preserving local ecosystems while maintaining structural integrity. Video, scientists testing sustainable materials in a lab, overlay of green construction sites. Drones and autonomous vehicles are also revolutionizing the construction landscape. These devices provide real-time data and high-precision operations, minimizing human error and enhancing safety. Video drones surveying a construction site, overlay of autonomous vehicles in action. Furthermore, 3D printing technology is making waves by enabling the creation of complex structures with unprecedented speed and accuracy. This innovation could significantly reduce construction time and costs. Video 3D printers at work on large-scale projects, overlay of completed structures. These technological advancements are not just about efficiency, they represent a paradigm shift in how we build and innovate. By embracing these cutting-edge tools, the Mexican Mega Canal project can set new standards for future infrastructure developments. Video engineers collaborating with advanced tech, overlay of a futuristic cityscape. In the end, it's clear that the fusion of technology and construction will be pivotal in bringing the vision of the Mexican Mega Canal to life, paving the way for a new era of global connectivity. Video time-lapse of construction progress, overlay of ships navigating a completed canal. As we look ahead to the completion of the Mexican Mega Canal, the implications for global trade are profound. Video global trade routes map, overlay of shipping lanes. The canal promises to be a game-changer, potentially reducing shipping times and costs for countless goods. Video cargo ships in transit, overlay of trade statistics. One of the most significant impacts will be on the global supply chain. Companies will be able to move products more efficiently, reaching markets faster than ever before. Video container ships being loaded, overlay of supply chain diagrams. This efficiency could lead to lower prices for consumers and increased competitiveness for businesses. Video retail stores stocked with goods, overlay of economic growth charts. Moreover, the Mexican Mega Canal could alleviate congestion in existing routes, such as the Panama Canal. Video busy Panama Canal, overlay of traffic congestion. By providing an alternative pathway, it eases pressure on existing infrastructure, leading to smoother operations worldwide. Video map showing alternative routes, overlay of traffic flow. The canal's strategic location also positions Mexico as a pivotal player in global maritime trade. Video Mexico's coastline, overlay of strategic trade points. This newfound importance could attract significant foreign investment, boosting the local economy and creating jobs. Video construction workers on site, overlay of economic impact charts. However, with these opportunities come challenges. The global trade landscape is ever evolving and the canal must adapt to remain relevant. Video changing trade routes, overlay of dynamic market graphs. In conclusion, the Mexican Mega Canal holds the promise of transforming global trade, offering both immense opportunities and challenges. Video ships passing through a canal, overlay of future trade projections. Its success will depend on our ability to navigate these complexities and harness the potential for a more connected world. Video time-lapse of global trade activity, overlay of a connected world map. While the economic benefits of the Mexican mega canal are substantial, we must also consider the environmental implications. Video pristine natural landscapes, overlay of environmental impact icons. Constructing such a massive infrastructure project inevitably disrupts ecosystems and wildlife habitats. Video construction site near a forest, overlay of wildlife icons. The canal's route will cut through diverse landscapes, potentially affecting flora and fauna unique to these regions. Video aerial view of diverse ecosystems, overlay of environmental conservation statistics. Water management is another critical concern. Video waterway management systems, overlay of water resource charts. The canal will require vast amounts of water, which could strain local water supplies and affect nearby communities. Video local communities near water sources, overlay of water stress indicators. Additionally, the risk of water pollution from increased shipping traffic cannot be overlooked. Video polluted waterways, overlay of pollution statistics. Moreover, the construction process itself could contribute to air and noise pollution, impacting both human and animal populations. Video, heavy machinery at work, overlay of air quality indicators. It's crucial that we balance economic growth with environmental stewardship. Video, sustainable practices in construction, overlay of green building icons. Implementing eco-friendly technologies and practices can mitigate some of these impacts. Video solar panels and green tech, overlay of sustainability icons. In conclusion, the Mexican mega canal presents a complex challenge to drive economic progress while preserving the environment. Video harmonious blend of nature and development, overlay of balanced scales. Our ability to achieve this balance will define the project's true legacy. Video future generations enjoying nature, overlay of legacy icons. As we reflect on the potential of the Mexican mega canal, it's clear that this ambitious project stands at the crossroads of economic advancement and environmental responsibility. Video aerial shots of the proposed route, overlay of economic growth icons. The future of global trade could be significantly reshaped by this new pathway, opening up unprecedented opportunities for commerce and connectivity. Video global trade routes, overlay of shipping icons. However, the path forward is fraught with challenges. Video construction hurdles, overlay of caution icons. From environmental impacts to logistical hurdles, the success of the Mexican mega canal will depend on innovative solutions and international cooperation. Video international meetings, overlay of handshake icons. The lessons learned from the Panama Canal serve as both a guide and a warning. Video, historical footage of Panama Canal, overlay of historical icons. Balancing economic benefits with sustainable practices is not just an option but a necessity. Video, sustainable construction practices, overlay of green technology icons. What lies ahead for the Mexican mega canal? Video, futuristic renderings of the canal, overlay of question mark icons. It offers a vision of a connected world where trade flows smoothly and economies thrive. Video, bustling ports and shipping lanes, overlay of thriving economy icons. Yet it also presents a test of our commitment to safeguarding our planet for future generations. Video, children playing in nature, overlay of future generations icons. In the end, the Mexican mega canal is more than just a waterway. It's a symbol of our collective aspirations and responsibilities. Video, symbolic imagery of unity and progress, overlay of unity icons. As we stand on the brink of this new era, the choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. Video sunset over the proposed canal route, overlay of hopeful future icons. Together we can navigate these waters and ensure that the Mexican mega canal becomes a beacon of progress and sustainability. Video, harmonious blend of nature and development, overlay of balanced scales.